everyone, how are you? And if you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is KCV, and today we are doing a Boxycharm, upside down, Boxycharm try-on unboxing. It's been ages since I've done one of these videos, and I'm just really excited to get into this one. This is the July Boxycharm. If you want to know more about Boxycharm, I always have information listed down below. It's basically $21 a month, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products in here. It's really awesome. You get to try a bunch of different brands, and I've discovered a lot of brands that I love through Boxycharm, so I just wanted to put that out there. It's a great box to get. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also follow me on my social medias. They're on the screen somewhere and also listed down below. So without further ado, let's just get right into this try-on unboxing. Okay, so for the month of July, the theme is Boxycharm Au Naturel. This is what the card looks like, and I have all of the products here. So before I get into the products I'm trying on, I do want to talk about this one right here. This is the only thing that I will not be using in this video, and it is because it is a mask. So this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It has, it is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. It says that this retails for $35. You get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, soothes, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. I love masks. I love skincare, so I'm definitely going to try this out. You can never go wrong. I mean, okay, let me take that back. You can go wrong with masks, but I feel like this one would be something that I would like. I just like masks that make my skin feel softer. The next product I have in here is this palette by Butter London. This is the Natural Goodness eyeshadow palette. It retails for $32, and this actually has 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades in here. And this is what I'm going to be putting on my eyes today. Before I do that, I do want to swatch it. They look pretty. They're actually not as pigmented as I thought they were going to be, just by first swatch. They seem quite, like, thin, like a little bit sheer. Let's see the two mattes. Okay, the mattes are a little bit better. I'm going to be using these brushes that I also got in this month's box. This is from Luxie. It is the Gaea, G-A-E-A. 3-piece brush set. It comes with a foundation brush and 2 eyeshadow brushes. I did sneak a peek in here. I love Luxie brushes. I feel like their brushes are really good quality for not like a high price. Like, it's very affordable and also worth it in my opinion. I did not want to use the foundation brush because this is just a typical foundation brush. You can either apply your foundation all over your face with this, or what I usually do with this is just take the foundation and then apply it with this brush and then go in with a beauty blender and blend it all together. So I won't be using this one, but this is the 510 foundation brush. There are 2 eyeshadow brushes here, the Precision Crease Brush, the 246 Precision Crease Brush, and the 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. So I'm going to use both of these today and see if I can just do a look only using both of these. So I went ahead and zoomed in. I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just very, very lightly take Temptress. I'm going to blend that on my outer corner and into my crease a little bit. And Temptress is this little darker, almost like a warm dark brown shade. Now I'm applying this without any primer because I want to make sure, like, I want to test like how the eyeshadows actually work without a primer. But usually I do put a primer on my eyes. I don't just kind of go in without it. I think I'm going to go ahead and apply this green shade all over my lid. And this is Star. So I'll go in with the Precision Crease Brush for this one and just kind of pat it on my eye. Okay, so this is using the brush. I'm going to go ahead and try my finger on the other side, kind of see how it applies with your finger. Yeah, I think it applies a lot better on your finger than on a brush, at least without primer. I'm going to go ahead and take the next product, which is this Appeal Gel Liner. This is a liner that you could use for both your eyes or your lips if you want. This looks like it's a nice brown. It's in the shade Deep Taupe. Okay, so I just placed Enchantress all on my inner corner as well, just to brighten that up a little bit. And now I'm going to apply my mascara and then zoom back out and continue with the rest of the box. So my mascara is done and my eyes look really good. I actually really like this. It's a very natural look, and I think that's the whole point of this box anyways. This palette, even though it says highly pigmented, they're not super pigmented, so I think it's wearable for every day. So the last thing that I have in this box is this lip gloss, and this is from Elemis Cosmetics. It is the Mother of Pearl gloss. It retails for $10. Okay, so this is a very shimmery lip gloss. I usually don't wear glosses like this, but I'll go ahead and put this here. It's not too bad. I don't think it's something that I would wear on my own or on its own though. So I think I'm going to put it on top of a lipstick. I'm going for the Patrick Star Mama Star lipstick, his collaboration with MAC. I'm just going to apply this on my lips first, and then I will put the lip gloss over top. Okay, so this is just the lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and put the lip gloss on it now, which you could probably, I mean, you could totally do this without it, but I just find that I'm probably not going to wear something like this on my lips by itself. The good thing about this type of lip gloss is it's not too intense, so you can sheer it out if you want to, and as you can see, it just adds a nice shine to whatever lip color you have, or you could put it on by itself. You probably look something similar to this on the lips. So it is really pretty. I like this combination, and I would totally wear this again. I just don't know if I'd wear it on its own. So that was it for this month's Boxycharm. Thank you for watching this video and watching me try the products. This is the overall finished look. I really like it. I definitely think that this box was worth the money. Obviously, all 5 products in here are well over $21. One eyeliner, which is this eyeliner, was $21 in itself, so you do get your money's worth, and you can create a look with this. I'm excited to try out this mask, since it was the only thing that I did not use in this box, but overall I'm just really happy with this box. So I will have all of the information about all the products that I used listed down below, but I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.